You proudly wanted the world to know. Well, it sucks I'm about to blow your spot. Tell the whole world of your evil plots. That my heart was never yours, and you stole it when I was young, when I was naive and believed in endless dreams, unicorns, and people on the streets. You knew that I believed that with your title came a right to my heart, my love, and my life. Now, call the police because I just quoted being Eve. I got what was mine, foolishly I left you a key. I see a picture in your picture frame, confined behind plastic and kept from time. Dust lingers on my smile, but it's there, and I'm smiling like the little kid I was with you by my side. So keep that memorabilia of a past you claimed we had. Say that's your perfect little girl because the woman I am now, you'll never have. I leave you your picture to fit in the wall, stuck in past tense while I find my way out. Let me escape the hold you want on me now, because I'm stronger than you know, and my fingers have the power to release my soul. Whether I write you my pain with the hands you helped make, or kill you with the words that you wanted to take, or take my heart back, which you falsely claimed. You will listen to me, and you'll hear my cry. Before I have to get hauled off by police, before I'm condemned to the inability of not letting you feel my pain while it's still alive. Because I wanted to feel like a stab when you realized that took what was mine, or a blow to your head, mind, or spinal line when you see I have the power to stay strong, or a blow to your body when you see I have the strength in my fingers and my words like grenades. I go onto the paper to make sense because I say it does. And then my heart can utter the secrets of my soul if I let it. And I'm the only owner of my heart, and I was young when you took it. Now, I'm not naive, or a believer in endless dreams, unicorns, or kickball in the streets. That is what you destroyed in me. Now, call the police because I just quoted being Eve. I got what was mine, but unfortunately, I left you a key.